What's that?
It's like a battery charger or something.
Well, what's in the rest of the box?
Nothing.
What's that?
A DS.
Holy cow. Can you believe it?
Yes.
You can?
Can I play it when I get upstairs? Mommy.
Wow, you must have been really good, huh?
I really wanted that.
You did.
You did?
Yeah.
Is it cool? What's it look like? Open it up.
It's black.
What's on the inside?
I don't know.
Tinkerbell, Jan Jan.
Just like
Very nice.
It's just like Brandon's?
Brandon has a DS.
Oh yeah?
I'm gonna play it when I get upstairs.